Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Alaya Governance token. Now before I start the video, I share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the Alaya Governance token AGT is the native utility and governance token for Alaya AI, a Web3 platform that connects distributed communities to create and label AI training data through blockchain incentives, solves an AI data bottleneck by creating a decentralized network where people contribute data in exchange for tokens, addressing the high cost and scarcity of quality training data for AI models, power governance and staking within the ecosystem, allowing token holders to participate in decision making and stake AGT to support and earn rewards for specific AI model development pools, incentivizes a data economy through a dual NFT systems and custom rewards pool, gamifying data contribution to ensure high quality diverse data sets for enterprises and developers. Alaya Governance project institution rating is 4.5 and this project audited by Ceritic. Alaya Governance token total supply is 5 billion and circulating supply is around 2.3 billion AGT token. AGT token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.